HiBuffet says you a warm welcome. Today I am going to share with you a unique recipe for mayo potato box patties. So let's start. Step 1. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Water as required. Mix it very well. Its viscosity is thicker. Set aside. Step 2. 250 gram mashed boiled potatoes. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 2 green chilies chopped. 1 cup green coriander chopped. 1 cup mayonnaise. Mix it very well. Our potato filling is ready. Step 3. Samosa patty for filling. Keep 2 samosa strips in plus shape. Two tablespoons potato filling in the middle of samosa strips. Apply the white all-purpose flour paste on the four sides of the samosa strips. Fold it from right to left and top to bottom. Our potato box patties are ready to fry. Step 4. Preheat the cooking oil. Deep fry box patties on medium flame. Fry it until golden brown. Change the other side. Guys, if you are enjoying the video, please like and share, which really helps our work. Our box patties are ready to serve. You can enjoy it with tomato ketchup or mayo sauce. Fellows and friends, please subscribe and press the all-on bell icon, so you get the first notification of our new upcoming recipe. Love you all. Bye bye.